What if I told you that the easiest digital side hustle that you could start today costs $0 and you could earn around $2,366 per week? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with this easy side hustle for passive income. It's perfect if you're looking to start a side hustle that fits into your busy life, requires little to no investment, and scales easily. So today, I'm going to walk you through why selling digital products is the best side hustle to start with no upfront costs, and how you can potentially make over $2,000 per week doing it. I'll break down exactly what this is, how much you can make, and most importantly, how you can get started today without spending a single dollar. Okay, so first, what are digital products? Digital products are anything you can sell online that doesn't require shipping or physical handling. Think ebooks, templates, courses, printables, or even digital art. You just create them one time and you can sell them over and over and over again with no inventory to manage. And the best part, you don't need any startup funds to create them, especially with free tools like Canva to design them. You could sell an ebook for around $29, or a simple printable for $10, or a course for $297 or more. If you just sold 10 copies of a $297 course in a week, that's $2,970 in a week. That's already more than the $2,366 that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And again, the beauty of digital products is that once they're made, you can sell them indefinitely, allowing you to make that elusive, consistent passive income. And you can get started brainstorming right now which digital product you should create by downloading my totally free list of all 54 different types of digital products that you can download completely for free in the link in the description below this video. All right, number 2, why is this the best side hustle to start and how to start with $0? Unlike physical products, there is no cost associated with the more digital products that you create and sell. There's no shipping fees and no need for product samples. Again, you're only investing your time to create something once that you can sell over and over and over again. And with digital products, the profit margins are absolutely insane. Most of the time, they're between 80 to 90% plus. So let's say you sell an ebook for $49 and make 100 sales per month. That's $4,900 in sales per month. And the best part, you are not constantly trading your time for money. This is truly the easiest side hustle to start and also to scale because of these logistics. So if you want a side hustle that won't cost you anything to get started up front and it's easy to scale, then digital products are for you. All right, number 3, how to choose the digital product that you should sell. Start by thinking about the knowledge and skills that you already have. And yes, you already have them. It could be anything from graphic design to fitness tips to organizing. The key is to think about a problem that you've had that you can solve for others. And this doesn't need to be some giant problem. It can literally be something as small as learning to organize your refrigerator. So think about problems you've had, big and small, and how you've overcome them and how you can help others with that. And from there, you can package that information into a digital product like an ebook, a template, a course, or a membership. For example, I got started with one of my first digital products with a $49 ebook. And this ebook went on to generate over $500,000 in revenue while it was for sale. And this ebook was nothing special. It didn't have the best graphics. It wasn't written by a crazy book writing professional. I don't have any really writing experience. I'm not really that good at graphic design. It wasn't even that long. It was 13 pages. But the reason it sold so many copies, it's because it helped real people solve a real problem. And when your digital product does that, it will sell like wildfire. But remember, the most important part is to start small. You don't need some big, grand Shark Tank idea or to come out with the next Netflix. No. And also, the more digital products you make does not mean the more money you'll make. You'll actually make more money if you just sell 1 or 2 digital products tops, but seriously, just do 1 and focus on selling that more and more and more and making that product better and better and better. And again, you don't need to be some Einstein expert to get started. You just need to know a little bit more than those that you're teaching. All right, number 4, use free tools to create your digital product. All right, here's the best part. You can create your digital product right now for free. Canva is my go-to tool for creating digital products because it's free and it also now has a bunch of AI tools built in to speed up the process. It's user-friendly and they also have a ton of done-for-you templates included in Canva. You can just go in and tweak the images and the text. Whether you're designing an ebook or a workshop or a full-blown course, Canva has everything you need to get started without spending a dime. Yes, they do have a free tier. For example, you could make a 10-page ebook using Google Docs and Canva in about a couple hours. And you could sell that for $29 or more. You'll only need about 80 sales a month to make over $2,300 a month. With no design skills needed, Canva will help you. If you've been hesitating doing this side hustle because you think you need expensive software, or you think you need to be some professional designer or some Einstein level expert, stop right now. You can get started right now for free and make it professional looking with the free tier of Canva. So start writing and designing your first digital product today, and you can thank me later. And if you want my full in-depth training on how to create and sell your own digital products for consistent passive income, go ahead and watch it on demand now completely for free in the first link in the description below this video. All right, number 5, the biggest one you're probably wondering, where the heck are you gonna sell your digital products? All right, it's no secret, I do not sell on Amazon. I do not sell on Etsy. I do not sell on Gumroad. In fact, I use a software called System.io, and you can get a totally free account. This is not a free trial. This is a free account in the link in the description below this video. And I use this software to sell my digital products. And the free tier is good for up to 2,000 email subscribers. And even once you get more than that, which first of all, congratulations, it is still insanely affordable. I pay for their unlimited tier, which is their most expensive package, and I only pay $67 a month because I pay for the whole year. And even if you pay monthly, it's only $97 a month. And if you know anything about software like this, that is a deal, because all of their other competitors are hundreds of dollars a month with a lot of limitations, and this is all unlimited. So again, you can get started with the free tier, which means you can do all of this for free. I use System.io for my website, my funnels, my checkout pages, to host my digital products and all of my email marketing and more, which means you can use System.io to sell your ebook, template, course, whatever digital product you choose through automated sales funnels that keep working for you around the clock so you can make those elusive sales in your sleep. So again, I've showed you how you can do all of this for free, so there really is no more excuses for you to get started. And remember, nobody is born with a digital product. Nobody is born with a following. It is worth it to put in the time and effort to create and sell your digital product for consistent passive income. The only difference between you and those who are already successful with digital products is that they decided to actually start. So today is the day, and I hope that you will finally get started. So what was your top takeaway from today's video? Go ahead and comment it below, and I will respond to every single one. All right, there you have it. The easiest side hustle to get started with $0 and potentially earn over $2,366 per week is selling digital products. All it takes is some creativity, a free tool like Canva. You can even assist with ChatGPT to speed things up, and a platform like System.io to host and sell. You have everything you need to get started, so don't wait. Start brainstorming, create your first product, and take that first step to financial freedom. So now that you know the easiest digital side hustle that you can start for $0, you might be wanting some more digital product ideas that you can use to make money online. So go ahead and watch this video next, here now, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.